If you are playing intense games like Genshin Impact, you might want smoother graphics and faster response. But if you are just casually playing puzzle, battery life matters more. On your Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can customize game booster setting for each game. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen. Tap Game Booster Settings. Next, tap Customization for individual game. Choose the game you want to adjust. For this example, let's pick Genshin Impact. Here you will see 4K setting you can tweak. Game optimization. Choose performance for better graphic and smoother gameplay. Balance for a mix, or battery saver if you are low on charge. For now, let's choose performance. Then FPS. Slide this between 20 to 60. For Genshin, 60 FPS gives you silky smooth action but uses more battery. Next, screen resolution. Slide from 50% to 100%. You can set it to 100% for sharper visual, or go lower if you want to save battery. For now, let's set it to 100%. And the last, frame booster. Turn this on to smooth out motion during fast-in. It helps reduce stutter. After adjusting, tap Save, and you are done. Now your game will follow the settings that fit your playing style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.